Overdenture implants, Sphero flex and block attachments, self-aligning abutments for implants in titanium plus tin 1600 Vickers hardness, Sphero flex, 2.5 mm diameter, Sphero block, normal, 2.5 mm diameter, micro, 1.8 mm diameter. Directional rings. It's critical to correct parallelism using Sphero flex with swivel sphere and directional rings. In catalogue pages 30, 31 and 32. Overdenture abutments for implants to be customized for every implant brand on the market. Step-by-step procedures both for clinical and laboratory are illustrated in the catalogue. Carefully follow video instructions. Sphero flex, grade 5, ELI titanium, precision mechanical connection. Reduces or eliminates traumas from denture insertion procedures. Attachments sold are not returnable according to Health Department Code regulations. Sphero flex and block attachments. Kits contain 1 titanium attachment, 2 retentive caps, 1 metal box for resin, 1 protective disc, set of 3 directional rings. Price for every kit includes 1 attachment and accessories as listed above. Sphero flex and block attachments. Abutments can be customized for any implant brand on the market. When ordering, always indicate implant type and brand, that is, Brannemark, screw vent and so on, implant diameter, cuff height, abutment tissue height, abutment system, flex, block normal or micro, reverse. The animated sequence illustrates positioning of retentive caps in parallel respect to divergent implants. Sphero flex plus directional rings. Corrects up to 7.5 degrees of diversions. Corrects up to 14 degrees of diversions with directional rings inserted. Corrects up to 43 degrees of diversions in total when used among a 2-implant case. Also using Sphero block attachments with traditional non-swivel sphere, use of directional rings is always suggested to correct even the minimum non-parallelism. Corrects up to 14 degrees of divergence with directional rings inserted. Corrects up to 28 degrees of divergence in total when used with a 2-implant case. When screwing the new abutments into implant threads, always tighten up manually and unscrew it first, repeating this procedure for at least 3 to 4 times in order to adapt implant thread to receive the new abutment screw. The abutment screw is adjusted in this way to the implant thread without use of any additional tool with very good stability. Set directional ring over the sphere, finding the right connection side to the hexagon. Insert retentive cap and rotate ring using a pointed tool until parallel position is set among all caps. Temporary denture, curing of retentive caps in the patient's mouth. During caps curing with resin, always use protective disc to avoid risk of blockage by resin waste. A piece of plastic or disposable glove can also work well. Polish denture to remove resin waste and deliver to patient. Be sure that any resin waste does not block attachment surfaces as shown. Finished denture. Lab procedures. After denture with waxed mount that's been tried in the patient's mouth, make a trial mask on the model in order to be able to check on spaces available to work. Using OT box castable components assembled together, it's possible to create cast reinforcements directly on master models without the need of investment duplication. Use of the trial mask helps to fix retentive pins in proximity of frontal teeth. Finished denture, metal box for retentive caps cast together with reinforcement structure, obtained using OT box castable system to contain caps for optimal retention, elasticity and mechanical work.